Okay, here's the beach at Higgins Lake. Our boat is way down there. I gotta get around the trees here in order for you to see it. There's our boat, the big black pontoon down there. There it is. As you look, there's plenty of people down there. People putting boats in and out. It's supposed to rain at like 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's supposed to rain most of the night, so not a great day to go out in the boat, so I'm just enjoying the beach instead. And this is the beach. It's nice out here. Nice beach day. It's about 78 degrees. Nice day for the beach. There's a boat way out there. This guy's gonna go scuba diving. Some people are so weird. I wish I had my scuba equipment. That's not being weird, I guess. That's just, I wish I had my scuba equipment. Back up a little bit. I got scuba equipment, but I don't remember where it's at. I think it's in the boat. I'm gonna put most of my stuff in the boat. Not raining yet out here, but it will be soon. Got my bike down here and a bottle of water for now. One of the kids playing over there in the swings. I don't want to squeeze into them. There's a lot of boats over there. Yeah, let's zoom out to this boat flying across out here. Gotta catch it first. Oh, I got too fast. Oh, it's pulling a skier. Cool. Slalom ski. It's kind of neat. My boat could go that fast. Nice day out. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect weather. This little girl right here. So cute. Boats are lined up to get out already. This cute little kid. Let's see the boats lining up to get out. Lined up. You can go one over there. It's a big boat docked over there by my boat. Our boat. Mine and my wife's boat. Let me sure I say that. She's angry if I say it's my boat. It's just a habit. And she makes a big deal over it sometimes. It is what it is. But if you look way down there, I'm moving to a better spot. You can see all these pontoons down there that are parked for the weekend, until the weekend. There's a lot of action down there. There's our boat right there. And on the other side of our boat, got a million other boats. Look at them all. Must be a Marinas type thing down there. There's a marina out here called B&B, and I gotta go over on, it's on the other side. I don't know if I can see it from here. Yeah, I can see it from here. Let's see if I can show you. That's the B&B Marina. They rent pontoon boats for Higgins Lake if you don't have a pontoon. And they got fuel. I'm sure the fuel is very expensive, but I got fuel up there on Thursday. So I'm down to like a little bit below a half tank. I don't like to get any lower than that. Alright, I'm at 6-minute mark. I'm going to cut it there. Cut it with this one. Please like and subscribe my videos. It's got a little baby there too. Wow, cute. I didn't see the baby earlier. Look at that baby. Oh, that's so cute. Love babies. Please like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.